Can you say, hi, friends?
Hi, Dad.
We want to do 1, 2, buckle my shoe because every day at school, our first carpet time, we do 1, 2, buckle my shoe and head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So Lily's here with me. Lily is here with me, and she's going to help me, and we're going to practice clapping, and we're going to practice touching head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So here we go. Do this. Yay, clapping hands. Okay, let's do 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Help me. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, you can do it. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. Do this. Do this. Yay, clapping hands. Okay, we're going to do more. Here we go. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up 6. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat 10. Yay!